Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and dear friends. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and dear friends. Today is a beautiful day to learn and grow together. Today is a beautiful day to learn and grow together. Let us begin our day with positive thoughts and energy. Let us begin our day with positive thoughts and energy. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to excel. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to excel. Education is the key to success and a bright future. Education is the key to success and a bright future. Hard work and dedication always lead to great achievements. Hard work and dedication always lead to great achievements. Let us be kind and helpful to one another. Let us be kind and helpful to one another. Respect your teachers, parents, and elders. Respect your teachers, parents, and elders. Discipline is essential for success in life. Discipline is essential for success in life. Always speak the truth and be honest in your actions. Always speak the truth and be honest in your actions. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Take care of your health through regular exercise. Take care of your health through regular exercise. Reading good books expands our knowledge and imagination. Reading good books expands our knowledge and imagination. Let us protect our environment for future generations. Let us protect our environment for future generations. Unity is strength, division is weakness. Unity is strength, division is weakness. Time is precious, use it wisely. Time is precious, use it wisely. Failure is the stepping stone to success. Failure is the stepping stone to success. Be proud of your school and uphold its values. Be proud of your school and uphold its values. Helping others brings joy and satisfaction. Helping others brings joy and satisfaction. Practice good manners and etiquette everywhere. Practice good manners and etiquette everywhere. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Set goals and work hard to achieve them. Set goals and work hard to achieve them. Knowledge is power that no one can take away from you. Knowledge is power that no one can take away from you. Be grateful for what you have in life. Be grateful for what you have in life. Teamwork makes the dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work. Always strive for excellence in everything you do. Always strive for excellence in everything you do. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Let us pledge to be good citizens of our country. Let us pledge to be good citizens of our country. Remember, today's efforts determine tomorrow's success. Remember, today's efforts determine tomorrow's success. Wishing everyone a productive and wonderful day ahead. Wishing everyone a productive and wonderful day ahead.